everybody, this is Brian from Palo Alto Unified School District, and today I'm going to be showing you how to activate a Student Learning Ally Audiobooks account from a staff or teacher perspective. So the first thing you're going to want to do is sign in to the PAUSD portal, locate Clever and launch Clever. And then from Clever, you're going to want to find the Learning Ally tile. Click on that. This will then take you to your teacher dashboard. You're going to want to locate the link that says Manage Students. Click on that. And then this will bring up a list of every student in the school district. And there's a number of things you can do on this page to make it a little easier to navigate. So you'll notice there's a status column, and you can filter the status by students that you've added to your My Students, students that are active, students that have been archived, students that need an update, or students that are pending qualification. So if your student has never used Learning Ally in the past, they would fall under the pending qualification category. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And you'll notice the little status icon here. That tells you that student is pending qualification. So we'll just go ahead and use this first student as an example. We'll go over to the eligibility column, click on select, and then it's going to ask you to select an eligibility type. So for this particular student, we're going to say they have a reading deficit. Check that box, click save. And that student now has been added to Learning Ally. So now that that student has been added to Learning Ally, we can search for that student by name. And we can also archive that student if they no longer are using Learning Ally, or we can add to My Students. This is very helpful because when you pull up that long list of every student in the school district, like we had here, it's nice being able to filter by status and select My Students, because then it will give you a list of just your students. Now, the next thing you'll probably want to do is assign a book to that student. Or you could just instruct that student to sign into their account, and they could add books on their own. And we do have other videos that will instruct the student how to do that. But for this example, we're going to assign a book to this student. So let's look for a Minecraft book. We'll search up here in the search field. Find the book we're interested in. Click on the title. Make sure it's the book you'd like, then click Add to Bookshelf. And this is where you can choose which students you would like to assign the book to. Simply click on the green plus icon. And once you've added all the students you'd like to assign the book to, click the blue Assign Books button, and you are done. Your student can now sign in to their Learning Ally account, and they will see this book that you have assigned to them, and they can also search and add their own books as well. Again, feel free to watch our other videos on how to complete this process from the student perspective. Thanks, guys.